Hello, I'm back with my good buddy fans. Remember him from the last video? He's hungry for food. But, yes, I'm back with him, and I'm gonna do a little looking at what they call this. You've ever seen that? Comes with this. See what's on it? Probably you can't really see because it's dark, but that's what's on it. Alright, put it back in. And this is what I'm looking at. Probably can't really see because you're on camera, but I'm looking at Garfield. The thing on here, that's what I'm looking at. And it's actually cool when my buddy here, don't you say it's cool. Yeah, he said it's cool. Viewing the camera. This thing, Viewmaster, whatever it's called. It's like it's stop motion and it works better. Light than not in light. You're probably wondering what I am, but there's like little images in there that come from here. This thingy. But yes, my companion helped me out today, and I hope he helps me out every day. Bye.